of the music. That's why I put my music on mute, okay? That's the reason why. Where have you been, Victor and Zender? It's been a long time since you watched my live again. Right? Please, guys, share the live. Share the live. Share the live. Pick, pack, boom, 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 boom. So when I'm going inside the house again and wash the dishes. I will try to open my mic if there's no music anymore, okay? Guys, comment down below. Oh, really? I don't think so. I don't think so. It's you, right? From my black app, it's you. I saw you there at my member. Right? Is it you? And Victor, that's my friend also. Where are you? You left already? Okay, it's okay. I will wash the dishes now. I will go back inside. Okay? So this is my outfit, guys. Outfit check. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go inside. Yes. I thought you left because you don't leave a comment anymore. I'm going inside na. Hola, Danilo Alberardo Salinas. Hola, buenos dias, señorito. How are you doing? I just impressed you're looking very lovely. Oh, really? Thank you very much. Oh, this is like a everyday look. There's no makeup. Look, I'm sweating. There's no kilay. There's no lip tint. It's just like all natural. Are you leaving your old place? No, I'm not leaving. I'm just going to wash here. You know, this is not my house. This is my parents' house. And my house is outside. Okay? So I'm gonna wash the dishes here.